Alright, great deal on Purex laundry detergent. Don't sleep on this deal, as y'all know. And we have seen firsthand Ibotta rebates come and go in the blink of an eye. So come out and get this deal today. Redeem it in the parking lot through the Ibotta app. Don't wait until tomorrow to scan it to Ibotta because it might be gone. Alright, there is an Ibotta rebate for $3 back on 65 or 75 ounce bottles of Purex, which are BOGO this week. And I found a $1 off one coupon while scrolling through Facebook this morning. So if you're in a half BOGO area, you can buy one at $3, use one of the $1 off one coupon, and pay $2 at register. Then upload your receipt to Ibotta and get $3 cash back. So you are making a buck on a bottle of Purex. Why I say use one is because the coupon terms say limit one identical coupon per transaction. So if you are in a true BOGO area, you're going to buy two at $6. Use one of the $1 off one coupon. Pay $4.99 at register. Submit to Ibotta and get $6 back. $3 for each bottle, and it's still a 50-cent money maker on each bottle. You could just only use one of the printable coupon. Again, don't sleep on this deal. Do it now. This is the Ibotta Black Friday sale at Publix. These guys, the 4-in-1 packs, have a $1.50 off Ibotta rebate, and also you don't have to use the coupon. You can just buy, the Ibotta rebate is up to 5 times, so you could just buy 4 of these if you're in a true BOGO area, use one coupon, and still submit to Ibotta and get these super cheap.